Hi, it's Mrs. Holbrook here. So far this week we have done two glute sounds, ing, ing, ang, ang, and today we'll be working on ong, song, ong. Okay, so again, we're not going to do a full warm-up. You can feel free to pause here and practice any of these sounds you need to practice. I want to bring your attention to ong right here. You see the girl singing her song. Let's do a quick vowel team and then let's practice reading some words with ong. A, apple, E, ad, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up, And for our R-controlled practice, I'm just going to pick one, AR, car, R. How many words can you think of that have R in them? Good one, star. What's that? What'd you say? Far. Very good. Car, star, far, tar. Good. Okay. And now for us to get to our list of words with ong. Let's take a look. Not only does this list have ong, it also has some words that we have been working on throughout the rest of the week with ing and also with ong. Okay, so let's take a look and tap them as we need to. Let's all start together. Ong, long, ing, sing, ing, zing, ong, gong. There's that ong. Try the next row all by yourself. Great job. And let's look down at the bottom, the review row. I see some suffix S's at the end and one that just has a bonus letter S. Let's read these words together. Packs, sheds, fans, rust. Way to go. Feel free to pause this and work on it until it's smooth. We don't want to hear choppy words. We don't want to hear ong. We want it to be long. We want them smooth, long, smooth and fast. Great. Now let's read some sentences that have the sounds we've been working on this week. Okay, take a look, my friends. ong. Do you see the word with ong in it? What word is it? That's right, it's right here, and the word is long. Let's try to read the whole sentence. Try to run up that long hill. I'll do it again smoother. Try to run up that long hill. If you want to pause here and practice it yourself, it'd be a great idea. And now we're going to get into our dictation so that you can practice all of your words with ong. Let's get back up. Those were our sentences from yesterday. I will erase my screen. And just as a reminder, what are these different lines called on the fundations paper? That's right, the sky line, the plane line, the grass line, and the worm line. Even though you don't have this paper at home, you can still make sure your letters are going from top to bottom and kind of reaching the right lengths that they should. All right, my friends, your first word is pong, like ping pong. Let's tap it together. P-ong, right? Pong. Okay, check yours to mine. What do we do with glute sounds? That's right. We box them in. There's that ong. How many of our letters touch the worm line? That's right, 2, the P and the G. And don't forget, when you're making these letters, we don't pick our finger or our pencils up. We trace back up and around. Be on the lookout for that. Okay, our next word is long. Say long. Tap it. Ong. Write it. Okay, check yours to mine. And let's go ahead and mark it up. We can box in our glute sound. And let's always read it back. A lot of times I see kids just say, done. and I say, read what you wrote, and they look at it and they say long, and I'm like, no, really read what you wrote. So, for example, say I made a mistake, and maybe I actually wrote it like this. When I go back and check it, I should be saying, ooh, ang, lang? No, that's not right. It's supposed to be long. Oh, I made a mistake. This shouldn't be an A. It should be an O. So I'm going to fix it up. Remember, learning is all about making mistakes and fixing them. If we didn't make mistakes, then we already know it and we're not actually learning. So it's okay to make mistakes as long as you fix them. Your last word is songs. I know a lot of songs. Everyone, what's the base word for songs? That's right, it's song. Let's tap out song. S-ong. Write song and then add what you need to make the suffix for songs. Pause it here so you can write songs. Okay, check yours to mine. Let's see how we did. Let's underline the base word, underline the base word, circle the suffix, right? Good, we have that suffix S to make it say songs. And we can box in our glued sound. O-N-G, song, ong. Song is actually our keyword to help us remember songs. Great job, you guys. We have one last thing. We will do our dictation sentence. And then I'll just put up some sentences that you can practice reading on your own and some trick words. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to clear my screen and get over to our, our frames, right? Why do we use the sentence frames? To help us hear each part of the sentence. Here's our sentence from yesterday. And we're going to do a quick erase while we get ready for today. So we had a question yesterday. It was about Bob, and we had A-N-G. And we have all of our sentence frames that I'm going to move right back up. Okay, get ready for today's sentence. It is, she sang some songs very well. Repeat it back. She sang some songs very well. Okay, here we go. We need to start with a capital. She sang some songs very well. And we need an end mark. I guess this could be an exclamation point or a period. I'm going to go with a period. Okay, guys, help me out. What are trick words here? She is a trick word. Yes, it is. Sang, you can tap that out. Some is a trick word. It rhymes with come. She sang some songs. You can tap that out. Very, that's a trick word. Starts with well. You can tap that out and be on the lookout for bonus letters. Okay, pause here and work on writing this sentence, and then we'll check it. Okay, my friends, I'm going to hide my sentence for a moment to have you work on checking it. So check your sentence. Does it begin with an uppercase and end with an end mark? Check your trick words. Check all the words that you can tap. Actually tap them out and read them right now and make sure they look right. And now I want you to mark up. You should have one word with a base word and a suffix, two words with glued sounds, and one with a bonus letter that you put a star on the top. Do that now, and then you can check it to mine. After you've checked it, let's get ready to scoop it the way we want to read it. She sang some songs very well. She sang some songs very well. I don't think I need to scoop very and well separate. I'm going to make it one big scoop. She sang some songs very well. Do I sound like a robot, or do I sound like I'm talking smoothly? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down on how you think I'm doing. She sang some songs very well. I think you're doing great. So I have a few words I'll put up for you to practice reading smoothly, and some sentences too before we go for today. Take a look. Give them a try. Pause it here and you can scoop with your hand and try to read them smoothly. Good work. And before you leave, I will click through some trick words for you to practice as well. See if you can do them quickly and accurately. Does, have, from, said, one, was. A couple of these were our trick words from earlier this week. If any of these are tricky, keep practicing. Great job today, guys.